Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Mrs. Finalizing and I used to teach kindergarten. Yesterday was actually my last day of school and it was my last day as a classroom teacher. Today is my first day of summer break. I will be starting a new position as an instructional coach for pre-K teachers in July. So I have about a month off this summer. I just want to tag y'all along on my day today. If y'all got a chance to watch my last vlog, I did not know what I was going to do with all of my classroom things. I did buy a rack. So my original plan was to build that rack and have it up here against this wall. That's a free space in our one-bedroom apartment. But after loading everything in my car yesterday, which all of my stuff is still in my car, plus what I have here in my dining room table, I don't think that it's going to fit. Like, it's all just going to be very cluttered and I hate clutter. That is what my dining room table currently looks like. So this morning, while I was having my morning coffee, I was looking up rental spaces, storage spaces nearby. So I did find a space. It's like a 5x5 and it's like $50 a month. So hopefully that is enough space. It's a little bit past 11 a.m. My plan is to go to the storage unit, see if everything fits in there. Then I'll probably take a lunch break. And I do want to go to IKEA. And then there's also another store that I've been meaning to just check out. My husband and I got a new couch. It's so pretty. And so I just want to see if I can find some like light gray pillows. I just want some new pillows. It was payday yesterday. It's the first day of summer. I just feel like shopping today. My kitchen is a mess because I haven't touched my kitchen in a couple of days. So whenever I finish those errands, I will come back home and clean up my kitchen. Let's get started. It's going to be tight, but we're gonna make it work because I don't want to pay more than $50 for a storage unit. So here we go. It's gonna be the ultimate tetris. Let's go get my stuff. This is all the stuff that I have to cram in there. Let's get started. Trip number 1 is done. Let's see, maybe there'll be 2 or 3 more. Let's go. What do y'all think of my Tetris skills? This will be enough space. I have stuff in our closet, like our closet is pretty packed and I still have more stuff in there. And I think I am just gonna return that rack. I don't think I'm gonna need it. So I'll return that rack Sunday or Monday and then we'll bring the rest of the stuff, like just unclutter our closet a little bit. But all right, trip number 3 and then I'll go get the stuff that is sitting on my kitchen table. About 12:45, I'm about to load that stuff that's sitting in my dining room table, but I am keeping a few things that are in my teacher cart. So I'm gonna take this down, and then I did keep this box here. It has recyclable stuff. There's like random mason jars that Miss Mo gave me. This is my snack box that I totally forgot about, so I'm gonna bring that home. And then this is like organizational desk stuff that I know I'm going to use, so I'm just gonna keep that at home. So I'm gonna unload this and then load the rest of the stuff. Alright, awesome. I'm done, and we still have space to put just a few more boxes in there from home, so I made the right choice. So now I'm going to go have lunch, go to IKEA, and then the At Home store. I think that's what it's called. I've seen it and I've just never stopped by. Like I said, gonna go check out some pillows and home decor. Definitely wore the right gear. I'm super sweaty. This was the workout for the day. Alright, y'all, that was delicious. This At Home place, the home decor store, was way farther down than what I remembered. So it was like a 20+ minute drive. But I didn't know what I wanted to have for lunch. And then when I saw that it was close to this place called Urban Bird Hot Chicken, this is like one of my favorite places. So they're like down the street from each other. So it worked out. That was delicious. I have like a few more bites of my sandwich left. And I really like their coleslaw. They put kale, 2 types of cabbage, and like shredded carrots. It's delicious. So I'm glad I have leftovers. These are amazing. I'm going to keep looking. It's pretty amazing though. They have everything like color coded. This store is giant. I'm going to keep looking because I've only gone through 1, 2, but to go into the 3rd row of pillows. This one is really nice too. There's this pillow again. Maybe it's a sign. Let's see if I can find another one of these. Oh, it's right here. This one is really pretty too. This one is like baby blue. This one is really cute too. I like to get light pillows though because Alex spills everything. I put it wasn't a fitted sheet, but one of those sheets that goes on the bed. That's our old sheets that I was going to donate, but I went ahead and put it on the couch because I knew like I don't want Sammy to like scratch up the couch. And then I know Alex is so clumsy and he's always spilling things, and sure enough, yesterday we were eating pizza because we don't eat at our dining room table either. We have like the little, I'm blanking out on the names of those little, it's like a little table that you fold out. We eat on those on the couch. And sure enough, yesterday he dropped pizza sauce, but it landed on the sheet. This is the next aisle of pillows. We have some black, some gray. This is dark gray. Wow. Lots of silver. Oh my god. Yeah, this place is like home decor heaven. Wow. These are $14.99. I think these are the winners. I really like this. It's a really cute color. Yep, let me just walk away before I change my mind. I think just the other couple of things I'm going to look for are like kitchen towels. Because the kitchen towels I have are really old. And a vase. I don't know if this is all of the kitchen rags that they have, but I do not like any of them. Don't see anything else in this aisle. Let's keep going. These are not cute. Did not find a vase that I liked enough, so it's just gonna be the pillows. It's okay. It's still definitely worth the drive. So just waiting in line to pay now. These are actually really nice. It's a really nice frame. I'm gonna get this. It's like a blush pink. So I went to IKEA and I like this one a lot. It's a little bit, the pillow, my pillow is 18 by 18 and the cover is 20 by 20. So it's just a little bit bigger, but it's not bad. And I like that it's washable. It's really soft and it's textured. But I think I'm gonna change my mind about these baby blue pillows. I really like the gray ones that I saw at IKEA. And I think they'll hold up a little bit better. So I'm gonna return these baby blue pillows at some point. I need to look at the receipt and see their return policy, what their time frame is. You wanna see the pizza stain? This is a pizza stain. It's a little bit past 5:10. It's like 5:12. We beat Alex home. He's taking a workout class, so he'll be home soon. My feet are done. I think I'm just gonna lay here for a little while and then clean up the kitchen. So I'm going to end the vlog here. My plan during this 1 month of break is to post twice a week. So on Sundays, I want to post a video that's like teaching related on a specific topic. And then on Wednesdays, I want to post vlogs. So this vlog will go up next Wednesday. So I will keep y'all updated on the pillow situation. Also keep you updated on the clutter. Actually, let me show y'all my closet before I end this vlog. So this is going to be the donation pile stuff that we have to get rid of. And this is our cluttered closet. There's definitely things that can go inside of the storage bin, like this box and this box and this box, and then we just have like stacks of stuff back here as well. So all of that can go into the storage unit, and all of this stuff as well. I've been hoarding these. I was hoarding these for the classroom, but I'm just gonna recycle them. Here is the storage rack that I'm gonna have to return. It's pretty heavy. But that's $80 that I'm gonna get back. Oh, and so this was the piece of furniture, the cube storage that was right behind my small group area. So this is where I decided to put that. Once the stuff in the closet is out, then I can put this in there. Just want to have the least amount of clutter as possible. So all of these two boxes can go in the closet once we clear some space out. And I need to clear this little bin out and see what I use it for. I have a big mess. I got this from Costco this past weekend when I went with my 2 work wifeys. So I need to clear out the dish rack so that I can clean those and put them away But all right, y'all. Now I'm going to end this vlog. I really hope that y'all enjoyed spending the first day of summer with me. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!